I am Sandeep Siraikar, studying in Bangalore Institute of Technology. In this video, I am going to explain on the seismic resistant building design using ETABS software as a project assessment from Skyfi Labs online course. First, you have to open the building model that is saved and unlock the model. Check the seismic load by define load patterns. I have assigned the seismic load. Modify lateral load. You have to select X and Y direction and enter the seismic coefficient by referring to IS 1893 codal provision. Zone factor, site type, importance factor. In our case it is 1, zone factor is 0.1 and the response reduction is 3. Okay. We have to define the response spectrum function. For this, define functions response spectrum IS 1893-2016 modify or show spectrum. We have to assign the parameters by referring to codal provision, that is IS 1893-2016. Seismic zone is 2, zone factor is 0.1, importance factor is 1, salt type is 2, response reduction factor is 3 and the damping ratio is 0.5. Okay. Next, we have to define the load cases. For this, define load cases. Response spectrum. Modify or showcase. Response spectrum. Load case type is response spectrum and the scale factor is obtained by the formula I into G by 2R, where I is importance factor, that is 1, G is acceleration due to gravity, R is response reduction factor, in our case it is 3. We have to check modal damping is 0.05. If not, we have to modify. Okay. In this case, there is no need to select building element to assign the loads. Next is analysis. For this, analyze. Set load cases to run. We have to select dead load and run or do not run. Similarly, live load, run or do not, and then start the analysis by run now. After the analysis is complete, we can obtain the displacement values, and by the right click on any member, we can get the values of translation, rotation and drift of that member. Next, we have to check for drift value. For this, display story response plot. In our case, maximum drift value is 0.0258 which is less than 0.004 times story height. In ETABS is design of structure. For this, design concrete frame design, view or revise preference. We have to check for design code. In our case, it is IS 456-2000. Okay. Design concrete frame design. Start design or check. Software will check each and every member quickly and give accurate results. After the design of structure complete, by the right click and clicking the details, we can get the overall detail of that section, like section adopted, factored forces and moment, design moment, flexure reinforcement, shear force and shear reinforcement, torsion force and torsion reinforcement. We can get the complete detail of the project design by going to report, summary report. All the details will be available in this report. You can cross check if required. Thank you.